The Qi Wireless is a smart in-car accessory designed to bring seamless wireless charging and organization to modern vehicles. Built with Qi-certified technology, it allows drivers to charge smartphones without messy cables, ensuring convenience and safety while on the road. Its anti-slip surface and secure fit keep devices stable, even during sharp turns or bumpy rides. Compact and stylish, Qi Wireless integrates smoothly into cup holders, center consoles, or dashboards, depending on the model. Many versions feature fast charging capability, LED indicators for charging status, and compatibility with a wide range of smartphones. Some designs also include extra USB ports, enabling multiple devices to charge simultaneously. Easy to install and remove, it requires no permanent modifications to the car interior. The Smart Cap is an innovative truck accessory designed to provide durable, modular, and versatile protection for pickup beds. Constructed from automotive-grade stainless steel or reinforced materials, it offers superior strength compared to traditional fiberglass caps, ensuring long-lasting performance in rugged environments. Its modular design allows users to customize the cap with different panels and accessories, such as storage bins, tool organizers, or adventure-ready gear mounts. Engineered for practicality, the Smart Cap features weather-resistant seals to protect cargo from dust, rain, and harsh conditions, while its large gull-wing doors provide easy access to equipment from either side of the truck. Installation is straightforward, and the cap can be removed or reconfigured as needed, making it highly adaptable for work or leisure. The EGR Roll Track is a premium electric roller cover designed to provide secure, stylish, and practical protection for pickup truck beds. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum slats, it offers exceptional strength and durability while maintaining a sleek, low-wheel profile appearance. Its automatic electric operation allows users to open or close the cover effortlessly with the push of a button, enhancing convenience for everyday use. Engineered with interlocking design and weather-resistant seals, the Roll Track keeps cargo safe from rain, dust, and theft. Integrated side rails allow for easy mounting of accessories such as racks or crossbars, making it versatile for both work and leisure. The system also features anti-pinch technology and smart control functions, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The tailgate light bar is a stylish and functional upgrade for pickup trucks, designed to enhance visibility, safety, and aesthetics. Mounted along the tailgate, it features high-intensity LED lights that provide clear signaling for braking, reversing, and turn indications. Its bright illumination ensures other drivers can easily see your vehicle's movements, reducing the risk of accidents, especially at night or in poor weather conditions. Built with durable, weather-resistant housing, the light bar withstands rain, dust, and harsh road environments. Many models offer plug-and-play installation, connecting directly to the truck's existing wiring for quick setup without complex modifications. Some versions also include dynamic lighting effects or sequential turn signals, adding a modern, eye-catching touch to the vehicle's rear design. The aux-beam switch panel is a smart control system designed to simplify and organize the management of multiple electrical accessories in vehicles. Featuring a compact, multi-button interface, it allows drivers to operate lights, winches, pumps, and other 12V devices from a single, centralized panel. Built with durable, heat-resistant materials, it ensures reliability even in rugged off-road or professional environments. Equipped with programmable switches and LED backlighting, the panel offers customizable control, making it easy to identify functions in low Y-light conditions. Its integrated circuit protection safeguards against overloads, short circuits, and overheating, enhancing both safety and longevity. Installation is straightforward thanks to plug-and-play wiring harnesses, reducing complexity and saving time. The wheel lights are vibrant automotive accessories designed to enhance both safety and style by illuminating a vehicle's wheels with colorful LED lighting. Mounted around the rims or inside the wheel wells, they create a striking glow that makes cars, trucks, or motorcycles stand out, especially at night. Beyond aesthetics, the lights improve visibility on dark roads, helping other drivers notice the vehicle more easily. Crafted with durable, weather-resistant materials, wheel lights withstand rain, dust, and rough driving conditions. Many models feature multicolor options, remote controls, and dynamic lighting effects, allowing users to customize patterns, brightness, and colors to match their mood or event. Installation is typically straightforward, with plug-and-play wiring or wireless setups that minimize complexity. The Rack and Roll is a versatile cargo management system designed to maximize storage and transport efficiency for vehicles. Built with heavy-duty steel or aluminum construction, it provides a strong, stable platform for carrying gear such as bikes, kayaks, camping equipment, or work tools. Its modular design allows users to customize the rack with different attachments, making it adaptable for both recreational adventures and professional use. Engineered for convenience, the Rack and Roll often features quick-release mechanisms and adjustable arms, enabling easy loading and unloading while accommodating various item sizes. Weather-resistant coatings protect against rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability in outdoor conditions. Compact yet expandable, it can be folded or removed when not in use, saving space and maintaining vehicle aesthetics. The Molly Panel Truck is a rugged organizational system designed to maximize storage efficiency and accessibility inside pickup trucks and off-road vehicles. Inspired by military gear, it uses the modular lightweight load-carrying equipment, Molly, grid pattern, allowing users to attach pouches, tools, and accessories securely. Constructed from heavy-duty steel or aluminum with powder oak-weighted finishes, it offers durability and resistance against harsh outdoor conditions. Mounted on the truck's interior walls, tailgate, or bed, the Molly panel provides a customizable platform for organizing gear such as recovery tools, first aid kits, camping supplies, or tactical equipment. Its modular design ensures flexibility, enabling drivers to adapt the setup for work, adventure, or emergency preparedness. Easy installation and compatibility with a wide range of Molly accessories make it highly versatile. The Quad Pivot 5.2 is a premium hitch accessory designed to add flexibility and convenience to vehicle cargo systems. Built with heavy-duty steel construction and a durable powder coat finish, it provides exceptional strength and long-lasting performance. Its key feature is the swing-away mechanism, which allows bike racks or other hitch-mounted gear to pivot completely to the side, granting full access to the rear of the vehicle without removing the rack. Engineered with smooth, secure rotation and locking points, the Pivot 5.2 ensures stability while preventing accidental movement. It is compatible with most 2-inch hitch receivers and supports a wide range of racks, making it versatile for different setups. The unit also includes integrated anti-rattle technology, reducing noise and vibration during travel. The Outback Solutions is a premium storage and organization system developed to optimize cargo space in off-road and utility vehicles. Built with heavy-duty steel frames and durable finishes, it offers exceptional strength and longevity, even in rugged outdoor environments. Its modular design allows users to configure drawers, slides, and compartments to suit different needs, whether for camping gear, tools, or recovery equipment. Engineered for practicality, Outback Solutions features smooth roller bearings and secure locking mechanisms, ensuring easy access while keeping items safe during travel. Weather-resistant construction protects contents from dust and moisture, while the low YO profile design maximizes usable space without compromising vehicle functionality. Installation is straightforward, and the system integrates seamlessly with most 4x4s and utility vehicles. The DZ Poly Storage Box is a rugged and practical solution for organizing and protecting gear in trucks, SUVs, or garages. Constructed from heavy-duty polyethylene plastic, it offers excellent durability while remaining lightweight and resistant to dents, rust, and weather damage. Its tough design ensures long-lasting performance, even in demanding outdoor or work environments. Engineered for convenience, the poly storage box features a secure hinged lid with lockable options, keeping tools, equipment, or personal items safe from theft and exposure. Many models include molded handles and reinforced corners, making them easy to carry and stack. The interior provides ample space for a variety of items, from camping gear to work supplies, while the weather-resistant build protects contents from dust and moisture. The tailgate ladder is a practical accessory designed to make accessing a truck bed safer and easier. Built from sturdy steel or aluminum with anti-slip steps, it provides a stable platform for climbing in and out of the tailgate area, reducing strain and minimizing the risk of injury. Its foldable, compact design allows it to be stored conveniently when not in use, ensuring it doesn't take up valuable cargo space. Many models feature adjustable heights to fit different truck sizes and tailgate configurations, while rubberized feet or mounting brackets keep the ladder secure on various surfaces. Installation is typically quick and tool-free, making it user-friendly for everyday drivers, campers, or workers. Weather-resistant finishes protect against rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability. The Raptor tread steps are rugged, functional accessories designed to provide safe and stylish entry into trucks and SUVs. Constructed from heavy-duty steel or aluminum, they feature textured, non-lip-slip tread surfaces that ensure secure footing in all weather conditions. From rain to mud, their robust build not only enhances durability, but also adds a bold, aggressive look that complements off-road vehicles. Engineered for practicality, Raptor tread steps are designed with wide stepping areas to maximize comfort and stability. Many models include easy bolt-on installation, requiring no drilling, which makes them user-friendly for quick upgrades. Corrosion-resistant finishes protect against rust, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh environments. Beyond functionality, they also serve as side protection, shielding the vehicle's lower panels from debris and minor impacts. The Dometic CCFIOTE is an advanced climate control system designed specifically for pickup trucks, offering comfort and convenience for both drivers and passengers. Compact yet powerful, it integrates seamlessly into the vehicle's center console, delivering efficient cooling and heating without compromising cabin space. Built with high quality materials and modern design, it enhances the interior aesthetics while providing reliable performance in diverse weather conditions. Engineered for practicality, the CCFIUTT features intuitive controls and adjustable airflow, allowing users to tailor the temperature to their preference. Its energy-efficient operation ensures minimal strain on the vehicle's electrical system, making it suitable for long journeys or off-road adventures. Installation is straightforward, with a design that complements factory fittings for a clean, professional look. The LoxRox aluminum bed extender is a practical truck accessory designed to maximize cargo space and versatility. Constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it provides strength without adding unnecessary weight, ensuring long-lasting performance even under heavy use. Its primary function is to extend the truck bed, allowing drivers to carry oversized items such as lumber, bikes, or camping gear securely. Engineered with adjustable arms and locking mechanisms, the bed extender can be easily repositioned to suit different load sizes. When not in use, it folds compactly for convenient storage, maintaining the truck's sleek profile. The aluminum build is corrosion-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor and off-road conditions. Installation is straightforward, often requiring no drilling, which makes it user-friendly for everyday drivers. The D-Niker Trifold tonneau cover is a practical and durable truck bed accessory designed to provide secure protection and easy access to cargo. Constructed from heavy-duty materials such as aluminum panels or reinforced vinyl, it offers strength and weather resistance, keeping gear safe from rain, dust, and harsh conditions. Its Triofold design allows users to quickly open one, two, or all three sections, giving flexible access to the truck bed without removing the entire cover. Engineered for convenience, the cover features secure latching systems and low-E profile styling, ensuring both safety and a sleek appearance. Many models include UV-resistant finishes to prevent fading and maintain long-lasting performance. Installation is typically straightforward, with clamps-on systems that require no drilling, making it user-friendly for everyday drivers. The Moxina 22L Truck Toolbox is a compact yet durable storage solution designed to keep essential tools and gear organized in pickup trucks and utility vehicles. Built from heavy-duty aluminum with a corrosion-resistant finish, it offers strength and longevity while remaining lightweight for easy handling. With a 22-liter capacity, it provides ample space for everyday tools, emergency kits, or small equipment without occupying excessive bed space. Engineered for practicality, the toolbox features a secure, lockable lid to protect valuables from theft and weather exposure. Its reinforced corners and sturdy hinges ensure reliable performance even in rugged environments. Portable by design, it often includes integrated handles for convenient transport between job sites or outdoor adventures. Installation is straightforward, fitting snugly within the truck bed or mounted for quick access. The inflatable truck bed air mattress is a versatile accessory designed to transform a pickup bed into a comfortable sleeping space. Made from durable, puncture-resistant PVC or reinforced materials, it provides reliable support while withstanding rugged outdoor use. Its tailored design fits snugly into most truck beds, ensuring stability and preventing shifting during rest. Engineered for convenience, the mattress features quick even fade and deflate valves, often compatible with portable air pumps, allowing setup within minutes. Many models include built-in cushions, raised edges, or segmented chambers to enhance comfort and prevent rolling. Weather-resistant construction makes it suitable for camping, road trips, or emergency overnight stays. When not in use, it folds compactly for easy storage behind seats or in gear compartments. The Arkson Roof Cargo Basket is a durable and spacious storage solution designed to expand a vehicle's carrying capacity. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a black powder-recoated finish, it offers strength and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance in rugged outdoor conditions. Its open-a-basket design provides ample room for bulky gear such as camping equipment, luggage, or sports items, making it ideal for road trips and adventures. Engineered for practicality, the cargo basket features steel wind fairings that reduce drag and noise while driving. The universal mounting system allows it to fit most crossbars, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Raised side rails help secure cargo, while tie-down points make strapping gear simple and reliable. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal tools. The Pewak bed rail caps, 5.7 feet, are protective truck accessories designed to safeguard the bed rails from scratches, dents, and everyday wear. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials such as ABS plastic or aluminum, they provide a tough barrier against heavy cargo, tools, and outdoor elements. Their sleek design not only enhances durability, but also adds a polished look to the truck's exterior. Engineered for precision, these rail caps are tailored to fit 5.7-foot truck beds, ensuring a snug and secure installation. Many models feature UV-resistant coatings to prevent fading and cracking under sun exposure, while weather-resistant properties protect against rain and dust. Installation is typically straightforward, often requiring no drilling, making them user-friendly for quick upgrades.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.